Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and follow companies on Glassdoor? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and go ahead and search for Glassdoor. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link that pops up right over here. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on companies right over here, and now go ahead and search for the company that you want to follow. So for example, if I want to follow Google, I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and now all I need to do in order for me to get all the updates that Google keeps posting, this and that, all the reviews and people posting onto Google's page as well, is all I need to do is just click on this follow button right over here, and that is about it. As you can see, it also appears on the followed company now, and all the details or the things that Google will post will also go ahead and pop out right here for me in the community tab. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.